local celebrity who still not realize the power of the queen, you know. So I still think you can't buy me with nothing at all. You have to pay me, Queenie. For see me, I'm a husband. I miss them one say. Because I give the girl them hopes in life and confidence, and it's truth. A lot of you girls have low self-esteem. Like woman my age. A lot of them feel like at the moment them reach 50, them not worth. We all have life, and that's the greatest thing. And that me they are empower, you know. So it's my empowerment and my success of life. I'm going to not free. This are free. I sit down and I talk to you, free. You say put on my clothes, I go shopping for my husband. I say I spend 200 pounds for buy the earth. I can't normally mother take 10 times that out of the shop. You hear that? Yeah. Now, I'm popular and famous that I'm afraid of myself. 200 pounds and him not put him hairstyle in it. And him not put him traveling like. And that's just basic stuff me get. So you know what half of me when my husband is not a drinker either. Him have one cup of drink. And the whole time you have it, him just have it there in him and nah, don't smoke more than I would drink. Better than all half of my liquor. Really. For me, drive petrol, how much mile come from? No, not me. I am the celebrity here. Queen here where the whole world want to know about. So if you want to come on me out, I not come out. I'm popular. I not come on, there's a difference. And when I on a party, I have to meet and greet. I have to do video for them loved ones. Who no video call them family. I'm going to be myself. Me not come out of my bed, come go to all of that. I want to not even see me a celebrity. No, go! Big up Mikey Versace. Clean sweet Mikey Versace. Big up yourself. When I there at Jamaica, I say to me, say, Versace say my book, you know. And I say to him, say, I was so negative towards it. I say, Roland, you and Versace leave me alone. And him say, no, Jay. The man send the deposit. I say, what? Yeah, big up yourself, Versace, because you know the struggle I know where I come from in the party with the picnic them. I said the children are the future. I'm glad to see God. Me then at the party, the picnic them I do them like a spelling bee competition. I collect money for them. I've been on a journey. So now I see me get me still not get the right kick yet, you know, because them stifle me. I don't know which part along the line I get stifle. But you see me is a patient man. You hear that? I grew and go to school without shoes. No fears me now, my old shot. So you see that? We can go to the highest in no time and just go back down to the lowest and just keep so. So check the meds. Nothing can fears me in a life. From a little and there St. Thomas, I got worse. You see now? I empower me, I empire the world. The whole world, me is a household. Me is not just an artist. There's a difference with me. You see all of the blogger them? They did the people them past YouTube. We take my video them and edit them. You know why them edit them? Because there's a lot of quality in my videos. I inspire the world. I'm relevant. I reign as a queen. I stand up for myself. Strong black woman. Remember one of the time I said when Rachel dead? Oh, you soon break. And I say, lie you not tell. Me not broke. Me not do what? So me for broke and disappoint my daughter. She's already disappointed. How dare me to sit down and bawl now and depressed? Yes, me feel down a couple times, yes. But that's just about half of my daughter writes and says she want me improving on my social media blogging. I'm still not do a blogging, you know. I just come on this, you know. You notice the buy badge something where them say for buy badge. Me not care about badge all when me broke. Me not beg on nothing. If you don't want to give me, you don't give me. If you don't give me, I do for my art. Me not put. Alright, me I go on a perfect example, you know. Remember, you know, when you don't see me, you know, a lot of you say, Queenie, what you did there? Queenie, I miss the morning devotion. But remember, I work off of my spirit. Miss my own independent person. I wake up this morning and I message to a lady and said, happy National International Women's Day. And the woman was so down and broken. That I said, Queenie, you know, say I really want earth angel. I like praise myself. You see self-love? Them teachers say, when of self-praise is no recommendation. Me no know not about no badge. Me telling us, me no know not about no badge. Me hear them a talk about badge. When badge time come, it will come. Me no know understand the badge something. Me no know what to turn and for when I turn. And I don't care. I'm just being myself. I'm just a talk natural as it goes along the flow, say. Enough things I could have put on YouTube. When I see the people that have my video them on YouTube with that much in views. Enough people say to me, say, Queenie, you're an idiot. No, I'm not an idiot. That is my gift for God give me. My words, my mouth. Your lady said to me, I would agree, say, you know, me never say, yeah, your voice me hear. I know anywhere me go me hear that voice. My voice standing on her head. So, you see the blogger them see sensing on me. Whether them a laugh with me or after me still make them laugh. And it's about Queenie. Who this there me again? Only thing strike. I strike that. There me is me, Rochelle. Rochelle, who that? Which Rochelle? Love you. My voice is powerful. Thank you. It is. So you don't think me know my word. You don't know I see me ask the man if you not think me know my word. Me know my word. None of you can skirt me, you know. Cause word. And when I have the style for like the old. Age is an honor. The older I get the sweeter me is, the nicer me is, I'm more experienced. And it made me understand life. So instead I'm going to kill myself and beat up myself and drop down and can't go up. The fact that I understand life and have so much experience, I come at age. If I was a 52, I wouldn't have 2 grandbabies. So at the end of a good day, yeah, at the end of a good day, when I don't bring that tricking argument, I couldn't want to impress the world for say, oh, quit, don't come on my page, go over Pink Wall, Slick White Life, or any one of them go talk anything about me. Me not defend it. So if you don't want to discriminate me, no go over there go discriminate me. No come on my page come discriminate me, expect me to go zip my mouth. Not on, I mean, my dead body. Then God could have given me this power to sing to people, counsel people. And when on the trouble me, I use my own voice. I adjust on the back. Really? A new hairstyle. For me alone. I'm glad I'm crazy. It's enough I don't even know so I'm crazy. I don't know no word, I don't know value, I don't know what I stand for. Just to discriminate people because I'm sad. And because I'm sad, do a call event for me. Because I'm sad and I discriminate, I don't know no true word because I spend phone time for try to put me down and me just a strive so. I need to go live on Facebook. I not even remember say Facebook have live. It's enough people crazy and don't know so them crazy. One shell I hide. So the more no trouble at me, the bother me get. Boy, I come right to now, right to my husband. Then I now come talk about hey, you know about me why I come live back for that threesome argument there. My right and say yes. She never say it ugly. I'm right back and say she never say it stink, but I put the and because I put the and black me. Comment. I'm a could right. So I say, alright. My life must have come back. But I tell you all the world is unfair. And as I said, the older I is, the more experienced I is. I telling you how unfair the world. J. Edwards, I'm come over here. Do what I want to do. I satisfy, I'm delete it. But Instagram black me, you know. But the same video where them black me for, them have it on YouTube, I make blog. Him same one have it, I use it. And then put it on TikTok. But it's too good for them on my page. But it's my voice. So now a blessing. Remember the first time Spice, Rochelle 30th birthday, you know. When me and Rochelle there Dubai, you know. Not Dubai, sorry. Where place here where we go? Mexico, Cancun. And them send me the video and say, Spice a laugh after you. And Spice take the video and she do her ear. Girl power Spice. Big up your clean fat. And she take the video and she got some. And she said, give me put the camera up on me. And she talk every word. That woman sit down, watch her cold bumper take me. And you know, I'm glad I am the leader that I am. And no can. You know, me laugh and say, well, she could not discriminate me. A great woman like that to sit down and memorize. That means I am someone. I am relevant. So that's what I don't take for negative. I take it and turn it in a positive. That's why I don't care. I don't understand the army out there and the army. See me send them hear my powerful voice. But up on the bus 2 days ago. The 149 bus. I go Edmonton and go meet Cool Bashment. Me and my husband. I slide on the bus, not intended to pay, because I think I get away with it. But if it did come to the test, I would have to press my bank card. But I England is on a free bus, jump on it, my dad's. Alright? Yeah, my voice powerful for truth, thank you. So I don't know, so I'm going to reach at Tottenham, right at Tottenham, at the McDonald's now. I just say I jump on the bus now. Everybody load on the bus, but I don't know I'm famous and popular. Somebody attacked to me one time, so I get distracted. So really, I have a criminal intention if my pass and the driver and I say not, I not going to tap my card, but he approached me wrong. People can be wrong and strong. I'm going to explain to you how. It's not what you said, it's how you do it. This is a black man from Africa. It doesn't matter, but I just assure you. The man pulled the glass door where him in and come out and seat and walk come over to me a pint for me and say, hey, you did remember me not pass him door, you know. Remember the bus them have 3 doors. When you go up on the 3 door, you can press any one of them and press a card. But remember from Corona them cut out that. But me in a program that come in a really take bus. Me take bus if me have to take bus. So me not program that. So for him come out and film something and war come pint in my blood. No. All when me wrong.